Hey guys, welcome back. So this is part 2 of the red truck rebuild. It was standing here for a while. We didn't do anything to it, didn't have a chance, was busy with other stuff. But sold the set of wheels, put it on some blocks, or I guess some old rims, and picked up some new ones here. Check that out. These are 20 by 10 negative 24 with some Goliath AT tires. They look pretty nice, so we'll get them installed right away and pull it into the shop and finally start working on it. So stay tuned. The rims are frozen to the ground. Yo. Bolt pattern. Is that enough offset? No, let's bring her inside and do the front, I guess. I don't know. I think they're not wide enough, but we'll see once we get the front on. Well, I guess let's hear this thing rumble. Nice V8. Oh, so quiet. Needs exhaust. Can't even hear it. Check that out. There's about 2 inches sticking out. Yeah, a little bit. This side's still damaged, so it looks a little bit bigger too. So let's bring her inside, I guess. Oof, so dirty. Wipers are all frozen up. I'll let her unthaw a little bit. Too many weather changes here in BC. Well, yeah, here it is. So I think it's gonna be all right. So not too much, but just enough. Check my truck out. Negative 44s. I guess that's quite a difference, eh? Quite a bit more. And I got flares on too. So, oh, let's get the front ones on and see how good it looks. That should be tall enough, eh? That's too tall. I think we should have went with wider wheels and lifted it a bit. It's okay.
Never late.
Never late. No, we already bought the wheels, but they're small. It's not for me anyways, so I don't care. It's gonna look better than stock anyways.
No.
Too cold out. Check out this beauty. They look nice. I like them. I wish there would be a in between, size in between. Negative 24 and negative 44 would be nice. Think it's gonna rub?
No.
I think it will.
It will?
I think so. I don't know if this truck has a leveling kit or not. It looks a little taller. I have to check that out. I forgot to look for it. Nope, I think it's factory. Oh, it's not related, right?
You bet.
And it's gonna ride a little bit rough, so it's probably better to go off with the lift. First time. We'll have to get all new brakes. The brakes are all worn down. So, how does it look? Check it out. I think it looks not bad. We'll have to get spacers in the back. They're not wide enough in the back. This one sticks way further out. I mean, that looks pretty good. I think it's not bad. Now I guess the moment of truth. You want to go steer the wheel? Wanna go steer it? You have to start it. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay. Oh, the bumper's fine. There's still lots of room. The back side. We'll have to do something more back. Keep going. Just barely touches. Oh, we'll fix that. Want to take it outside, take a few pictures of it? Well guys, I think that's it for this video for today. Our goal was to put some wheels on it, put it in the shop, which we're gonna do right away here, and start tearing it all apart, getting it ready for a paint job. I was thinking to buff it all out, cut and polish, but some scratches would go away. Like something like this won't go away already. It's pretty deep, and the other side is all damaged. So we're gonna take all the badges off, everything for painting. I'll get the side steps off, they don't even match. This one's chrome, the other one's black. And yeah, I think that's it for this one. I think we'll have to get a lift for the back. It looks really squatted for some reason. Does it look on the video? Oh yeah, quite a bit. Let's see, there's my high side badge. It's squatted. I guess it has some snow in the back. Maybe that's why. It's a 1500, so I think that would make a difference. It would make a big difference actually. But yeah, I'm super excited for it. I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna do a few things to it. Gonna put some tint, window tint on it, and oh, we still need to get some taillights. I forgot. We have to place an order. We have to get this truck done. Both taillights. Forgot about that. We have to get them ordered. Yeah, like I said in the previous video, this one's for my sister-in-law. Hopefully she'll be happy. I think it's gonna turn out good. But my taste is different from other tastes, I guess. I like them a little bit wide and low. I guess we'll see. Turned out not bad. I think the wheels make it look way better right away. Yeah, I guess let's put her in the shop, take all the door handles off, all the badging off, get all the stickers off, everything. Mirrors. We should get some probably 2500 mirrors on it. Like on my truck. I think it would look nice. 1500. I don't know. Drop it down in the comments, guys. I want to know if I should get different mirrors for it. Check it out. This is what it has now. Let me know if I should get something that's similar to these guys. So they're white and amber turn signal, and also we're gonna do them color match. So comment down below. I need help with this one. I don't know if I should do it or not, so reaching out to you guys for an answer for that. Yeah, we need a new mirror anyway, so yeah, I think it looks good. That's a beauty. Love it. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I hope everyone has a good one. And yeah, sorry I couldn't post anything in a while. I've been trucking meanwhile a little bit here and there, and been pretty busy with that stuff. So guess we're back at it in the evenings. So hopefully we'll get it done in about 2 weeks. Rough estimate, get everything prepared. Because I still work daytime and then evenings I can do stuff on this, guys. Anyways, that's it. Have a good one. Peace.